Well, there she is, running pretty good. Only one issue I want to be concerned about is that thing falling off. It's getting scary fast. Not because I'm scared of going fast, I'm afraid of shearing this guy off. This is factory. I'm going to go to 1/2 inch wheel sets on the back, going a little bit longer on the front with a quality stud. A lot more meat on them. So let's move on over to the lift. It's quite a bit of work to change out a stud to a bigger size. So I'll document the procedure. This guy's been running really good. Been changing the fuel map a little bit. Going on the internet, learning from other people who have been there before me. Change the idle from closed loop to open loop until over 1,000 RPM. So it's 50 degrees in here. Let's see what she does for a cold start. Cranking, see how quick she fires up. So it's a lot smoother being in open loop for idle. To the left. Not working. So plan B, yeah, glue this on. Shit. 10-minute job, 2 days. Here we go. This is a really good wrench. Well, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna let you watch the live action here. Either it's going to be a complete failure or success, because this is not good. We use a 1/4 inch bolt, and you gotta get a 5/16. So take a This is a 5/16 nut, which has a 1/2 inch thread on the inside, so that matches the wrench size of the fastener for the strap. So the trick is weld inside that hole onto the bolt. It won't come out. Contact. And of course, the nut's galvanized. It's got poisonous arsenic gas coming off of it. And then, as it's melting the Loctite, it should come right out. Keyword should. Look at that, it's turning. Kinda. Alright. Socket on that. Okay, show you what I'm doing here. I'm cheating a little bit. So I pulled that cotter and nut off in the washer and then put the nut back on. It's still good. And I'll punch it out with a brass drift and a hammer. So this will come out. Okay, so the only thing is the seal here. What I've done in the past is when you're putting it back together, just push this back in because it doesn't really get distorted or destroyed. Did a test with the blue Corvette and it actually worked. No leaks. So I'll finish on. Okay, got to make a correction. These half shaft bolts are not a 1/4 inch. They're a whopping 5/16. I was getting mixed up with the driveline 1/4 inch bolts. I really don't know how that stuff is being held together. I mean, that's just stock and it's holding back all that torque. Pretty scary. Oh, to find a new set of these now. Dang it. Alright, you need to open up all the holes in the flange here. I got 29/64 here. I just used that to locate and index the location of the hole. Got it locked down here. And then I'm going to pull the bit out and put this guy in. Just ordered this. What size is it? 39/64 for the 1/2 inch studs I'm putting in. Alright, had to rig this up to come in. I got a 1.5, 3/4 square drive, 1-inch drive socket. Of course, I had to test one first, make sure it worked. There. Then the bottom of this stud self levels. Definitely tell when the bottom's out. So that is working perfect. Alright, do the rest of them. Alright, replaced all our front suspension components with this powder coated stuff here from Joe. Doing some horse trading for the labor I'm doing. Painted my calipers. Got the longer good quality 7/16 studs up there. Joe sanded down and painted my sway bar for me. Got all new poly bushings. So poly bushings on the A-arms, top and bottom, and the upper A-arms are a different design. I forget the brand name of them, but I'm trying to reach up there. So we'll see how this does. There we got them set in there. We're gonna put the yoke on there and use an impact hammer rivet gun to get that bearing seated back on the axle. And Joe, my good friend here, is gonna be holding the sledgehammer out here for inertia.
Yeah. I'm gonna be holding the hammer. Yeah.
Hey, what do you think about that 700 R4? The thing held up, huh?
Yeah.
So I'm going for L65E, that's the new flex plate. But yeah, I thought it would twist something here, but it didn't. This engine, 570 horse, full throttle. She held up. All right. Okay, let's give it a shot. Ready?
Yep.
Going. Going.
Hold it.
Ready?
Yep. seal okay?
Yep, looks good. Alright, nut and impact and go the rest of the way up. Yeah, that's plenty. We'll snug it up with this. Alright, if you can hold the axle up there.
Yep. Hold it a second. What you do with that bar?
Oh, we're going to have to get in there and put the seal on. Alright, so.
Okay, you're gonna put any goop around it?
No.
Okay. We did.
Here, show. Can you see this right here? What did I do with my screwdriver?
Here, hey, use that one. You find the one you're looking for.
Which one?
Right up there.
Oh. Alright, we just tightened her down to approximately 100 foot-pounds. Can you see it?
Yep.
It's about 2. And then,
yeah.
where's that flashlight? Shining here, the seal that we pushed in.
Oh, yeah.
We'll let you know in about 6 months if that worked or not.
Yeah.
But until then, don't try what we did. Alright, here we are with the 1/2-inch studs installed. And this is what they look like. I could not find a spline open top, so I had to take and mill the tops off. Use this tool here to go in. But I think it'll work just fine.